Do you know that you can log into your national address without password by using Nafath application? Let me show you how to do it step by step. Start with opening your national address application. Tap allow. Now tap here. And tap this icon to change your language to English. Now tap Nafath. Now tap login to Nafath. It will automatically take you to this website. Now scroll down to change your language to English. Scroll down. Now enter your gamma number, resident ID. Tap login. Now open your Nafath application and verify. Tap accept. Enter the code that they give it to you. Now enter your PIN. Now you are successfully verification. Go back to that website. Click on redirect. Let's click it, take you to here. And now you automatically log in successfully. You can add your fingerprint to login. That is scroll down to check your all information. You are successful login.
I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.